My law firm client had a big problem. Every day they were losing thousands of dollars in potential cases because they couldn't call leads fast enough. See, they were getting leads from Martindale Nolo, a pay-per-lead service provider that sends the same leads to multiple competing law firms. First firm to call, first firm to potentially get the client. But with leads coming in 24/7, their team couldn't keep up. Leads were going cold before they could even reach out. So I built them an AI cold caller that automatically contacts new leads within seconds of receiving them. The results 58% booking rate on answered calls, turning what was a business bottleneck into a constant stream of scheduled consultations. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I built it, the tech stack I used, and the results we achieved, so you can implement similar AI solutions for your clients. So let me walk you through the entire process of how I identified a problem, built a solution, and the impressive results we achieved. So they were using Martindale Nolo, a lead generation service that works like this. People visit Martindale Nolo's websites and request legal assistance. These leads are then sent to multiple law firms simultaneously. And of course, the first firm to contact the lead has a massive advantage. The core issue was speed and consistency. These were coming in 24/7, but their team couldn't respond fast enough, especially after hours. And every delayed response meant losing potential clients to other competitors. This is a classic problem that almost every service business faces: the need for immediate response when potential clients show interest. And after analyzing their process, I designed a fully automated AI cold caller system that works like this. Step 1 is email parsing. When a new lead notification email arrives from Martindale Nolo, our system automatically extracts the lead's name, phone number, and email address, pulls the case summary details, and prepares this information for the AI caller. And the second step is instant AI outbound call. And using retail API connected to Zapier, the system initiates an AI voice call. And this call happens within seconds of receiving the lead. And this AI introduces itself as working with the law firm and references their specific case details. Step 3 is basically having a conversation with the lead. The AI is trained to handle common objections and questions, and it explains the law firm's expertise in their specific legal matter. And when interest is confirmed, it offers to schedule a consultation. And the AI can book appointments directly into the firm's calendar. Finally, tracking and management. For tracking call logs and following up with leads that didn't answer, we implemented a custom chat dashboard. And this gives the firm complete visibility into their lead pipeline. And they can see which leads were contacted, which conversations resulted in bookings, and which need follow-up. And the beauty of this system is it works 24/7, ensuring no lead ever goes cold again. Now let's actually head over to the actual solution that I built for my client. I use Retail AI for building voice AI agent. This is the agent I built. It's a single prompt agent. It's nothing crazy. Well, I actually had to do some tweaking for system prompt, but basically included information about the law firm itself, law firm's name and address. And since it's for booking appointments, it's time sensitive, right? So I also included current time as a custom variable. This is the a variable that you can use in Retail AI. And lead information is also variable: first name, email, phone, case summary. And those 4 variables will be replaced with the actual values from the email notification we got from Martindale Nolo. And another thing I want to point out is tools for this AI agent. So there are 4 functions or tools I gave to this AI agent, and basically it's end call and check calendar availability, transfer call, and book appointment. So end call is really simple. It's used for hanging up the call, whether the AI agent faces voicemail or whatever other reasons to end the call. And for calendar availability, this is the out-of-the-box function that Retail provides. So all you need to do is just bring the API key and event type of the event from cal.com. Of course, you need to set up the time zone. We're at New York time zone. And for transfer call, I used lawyer's number here. So for whatever the reason, if the AI agent is not able to answer user's query, or if the user is angry, AI agent will call this function to transfer a call to the real human. And this is the most important function, which is book appointment. And this is used for actually booking an appointment to law firm's calendar. I won't go into details in terms of like how we can bring those information from cal.com. It's pretty straightforward. So yeah, I just wanted to give the high level overview on how I made this AI agent. And besides tool, I just gave some interaction guideline and the conversation flow, expected conversation flow. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for system prompt. And to sum this up, we use single prompt agent with variables from the parse email, and basically four tools for transferring a call, ending a call, checking calendar availability, and booking an appointment finally. Now we've looked into all the AI agent side of it, and let's move over to our Zapier workflow. And as I said, it's really simple. So the trigger is going to be new email. So every time new email hits the inbox, this job will trigger. And after that, we filter emails only from this email address, which is Martin De Lolos. And using LLM, we parse the actual body of the email. And as a result, we get those four fields: phone number, email, case summary, and first name. And those values will be used in retail agent here. So those four variables will be replaced with the actual value from the email. And after that, it's just creating an API call to retail AI. So we basically use create phone call API from retail, and we delete this information here. Now let's head over to ChatDash, which is our client dashboard. So let me log in as an agency. And this is a client account that I'm using for the law firm. And I just added, retail voice assistant here. So when I click here in preview, this is the exact client dashboard that my law firm client have access. So it's going to be analytics, such as number of calls, total call minutes, risk ended, like this. And for checking transcripts, go to conversations. And as you can see, my client can check all the transcripts of the call and even listen to it. And conversation summary and evaluation are available to check as well. So think of this as a branded client portal for your agency. Of course, these logos are not my agency's logo because I'm the owner of ChatDash, but you can definitely change those logos to yours. Actually, let's listen to one of our successful calls. So I think this call is the most recent successful call. And let's play it.
Hello.
Good morning. This is CG Song Law Firm calling. Is this?
Yes, it is.
I'm calling from CG Song Law Firm regarding your divorce legal inquiry. We can definitely assist. Before we proceed, I'd like to ask you a few quick questions. Do you have any upcoming court dates?
No. It's just an uncontested, so I guess it was just giving me a heads up what he was doing.
Got it. Thank you for sharing that. Are you looking to hire an attorney immediately to assist with this matter?
I'm just asking if I need to actually hire an attorney for this, because my only discrepancy is that he's stating that all of this happened when I, at my new address, and I'm just making sure he's not trying to, make it seem like he was a resident here, because he wasn't.
Thank you for explaining that. It sounds like you want to ensure everything is accurate and protect your rights in this process. Would you be interested in scheduling a consultation with one of our attorneys? They can provide expert guidance and help clarify whether you need legal representation for this matter.
As long as it's on video or telephone call, because I'm taking care of my mother right now.
Absolutely. We can arrange a video or telephone consultation to accommodate your situation. When would you be available for the consultation?
As soon as possible.
Let me check the earliest available time for today to schedule your consultation. The earliest available time for today is at 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time. Would you like me to schedule your consultation for then?
Yes, please.
I'll schedule your consultation for today, Tuesday, April 22nd at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. You will receive an email confirmation shortly. Your consultation is all set for today, Tuesday, April 22nd at 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time. Please bring any related documents to the call. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
As you can see by listening to this call, the lead didn't know that it was AI, and this AI led conversation very naturally from opening to finally booking an appointment. Now for the exciting part, the results from the last 30 days. We've got exactly 64 total leads from Martin Day Nolo, and 24 voicemail left, 9 no answers, and 18 appointments booked. That means out of 64 total call attempts to all the leads, we converted 28% of them. When we only consider the picked calls, we converted 58% of the actual conversation. So to put this in perspective, the industry average lead to appointment booking conversion rate is anywhere around 5 to 15%. And we've nearly doubled that with our AI implementation because we achieved 28%. What's more impressive is that these bookings happened regardless of when the lead comes in. Weekends, middle of the night, holidays, the AI was always ready to engage. So there you have it, how I built an AI cold caller that books 58% of leads for a law firm, solving their biggest business challenge and giving them a major competitive advantage. This is what AI agency work is really about, not just implementing cool technology, but solving real business problems with measurable ROI. Now, if you're looking to provide this kind of white label dashboard solution for your AI agent clients, I've got something that can save you months of development time. ChatDash provides AI agencies with fully branded white label dashboard for your AI agent solutions. Instead of building this from scratch, you can deploy professional client portals with your branding, custom domain, and all the analytics features I showed in this video. Our platform works with Retail, Vapi, OpenAI Assistant, VoiceFlow, N8N, and most other AI agent platforms you might be using. Let me know in the comments what other AI agent solutions you'd like to see broken down in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.